Happy Friday, everyone. I was just wandering through my bathroom here and noticed something pretty cool. What you're looking at right now is just one of these wax melters, with the scents. And I had some wax in there last night and turned it off, and now there's this giant divot in the middle, and it was filled up to the top before, so it shouldn't have that. But what you're seeing here is something called shrinkage, and it's primarily a casting term, and casting is a manufacturing process where you melt down some material and pour it into a mold. I've actually done this with some aluminum, and you can kind of see it here. I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but there's a little bit of a divot in the middle of this one, and that was from shrinkage. I poured some molten aluminum into a little cup, and as the center cools, it pulls in the extra material from the outside, because the outside is going to cool faster. It's got air flowing over it and other environmental effects. But once that top cools, it kind of solidifies. And then as the center cools, because it takes longer, you can't have a vacuum inside. And when things cool, they shrink. So when the center shrinks, it sucks in that top material. And that's exactly what's going on here. The core actually was a lot warmer than the outside, and when it cooled, it pulled in that material. So here's another project, actually. It's a little Autobots thing made of aluminum. And because I didn't want his face to cave in when the center cooled, I actually had to have a really big chunk of aluminum hanging off the back here to absorb that shrinkage, which I then cut off afterwards. So I'm going to see if I can get a time lapse here of this wax melting and then re-shrinking.